Customer service for customer retention. Wednesday customer service audio. A little bit of extra customer service can lead to customer retention. There were times when I had been invited to a workshop or a networking function when there were a few being held on that day, at around the same time or within an hour or half an hour of each other. So what had happened is when I had to make a choice, I went with the place that offered me better customer service, that after the event had followed up and they see how things going, had greeted me at the event. It wasn't like being treated like a cold sell. So there I went with that company, and most often customers will go to even a physical location that has a little bit of extra service. You've ever walked into somewhere to buy something to basically been ignored or felt like, your money didn't matter. Many people have just walked out and been dissatisfied and not gone back. I had once gone to a small cafe where I had asked for my order prepared a certain way. They didn't prepare the order that way, and so I never went back. They apologized, even though they deliberately screwed up the order, and then they didn't refund my money. They didn't remake it, and so I never went back. Whereas if something is done a little bit better to order, or you're not treated like a cold sell, or the company greets you, whether it's a networking event host, whether it's a business workshop, whether it's a store that you go into, that you get treated like your business matters, then people are more apt to go back and bring other people with them.